An instructor in a blue lab coat and glasses speaks to a group of students seated at lab benches with microscopes.
What are the light weights that don't spin down?
3 female students in lab coats and safety glasses listen attentively. A wide shot shows the instructor talking to students in a bright lab with many microscopes.
It's a really good profession to go into.
Close-up of the instructor, Sue, speaking to the camera. Text appears, SUE instructor.
When they finish our program, they will be competent at entry-level skills for being a medical laboratory technician in a clinic or hospital lab.
A person in blue gloves uses a magnifying lamp to examine a petri dish with red liquid. 2 female students, one with a red bandana, lean over a lab bench looking at a sample under a magnifying lamp.
They're the people that process the blood specimen and do the tests on it. And basically they're diagnosing both healthy states and disease states.
A student looks through a microscope. Gloved hands adjust a microscope, focusing on a slide with a bright light. A male student with a beard looks through a microscope eyepiece. A female student in a light blue lab coat also looks through a microscope. The student's face is close to the eyepiece.
I definitely am glad I did it. We spent the time, the 2 years doing the degree program.
The student Courtney speaks directly to the camera. Text appears, Courtney, student.
I've learned a lot, and you're able to actually do the things that you're going to see in the clinics, in the hospitals, in your career.
Gloved hands use tweezers to move a sample in a petri dish next to a microscope. Courtney looks through the microscope, then smiles as she adjusts it.
I think that's really important.
A male student walks towards a microscope and begins to look through it.
We not only teach them the material they need to learn and the laboratory skills, we work on professionalism quite a bit in our laboratories and in our classrooms.
Close-up of the male student's face as he looks through the microscope. A gloved hand adjusts a dial on the side. A microscopic view shows various blood cells, including larger purple and blue cells among many red cells. A female student in a red bandana and safety glasses uses a pipette to transfer blue liquid from a test tube into a beaker.
There's quite a few older laboratory technicians that are retiring, so the job outlook is excellent, and there's lots of different avenues they could take.
Close-up of the student carefully pipetting blue liquid into a beaker, next to another beaker with yellow liquid. Test tubes are in a rack nearby. A gloved hand picks up a small vial with tweezers. A female student looks through a microscope. 2 female students lean over a magnifying lamp, examining a sample in a petri dish.
It's behind the scenes, but still we try to keep reminding them that this job, we're saving lives.
A blurred wide shot of the lab with students working at various stations. The Southwest Tech logo appears, Southwest in blue, Tech in gray, with a blue and gray heart-like symbol containing a starburst. Below it, Wisconsin Technical College System Member College is displayed.